How to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. So if you want to fix your Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down and you can simply choose the reset settings, or you can simply go with the search, which is on the upper right, which will be easy for you. So go with search and search for reset. Once you search for reset, now go with reset all settings. Under that you will have reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile. Tap on it and then go with reset settings, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on reset settings, you need to restart your device, and after that your Wi-Fi will be fixed. Once you've done that, now you need to go back and you need to open up your developer options. So go with system and then you will have developer options. Tap on it, and under your developer options, now you just need to simply go with an option which is Wi-Fi scan throttling, and you need to toggle off this option. Once you toggle it off, now you just need to simply go with second one, which is mobile data always active, or you may have always keep mobile data on. You just need to simply go and toggle it off and again toggle it on. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply go back, remove that and then restart your device, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.